In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat in Zoom. If you're using Zoom regularly for meetings, classes, or catching up with loved ones, you'll know how essential the chat function can be. It allows you to share quick messages, add links, or even send files without interrupting the flow of conversation. Sometimes you might find that the chat option isn't available during your meeting, and this is typically because it's not enabled in your Zoom settings. So, let's dive into the process of enabling chat in Zoom, which is straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. First, we need to access your Zoom account settings. Start by opening your internet browser and navigating to Zoom's homepage. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page, where you'll see an option labeled My Account. Click on My Account, and this will take you into your personal account settings. Now that you're in your account overview, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where a navigation menu is located. From here, you should select the option that says Settings. This link will open up a list of various settings you can adjust to customize your Zoom experience to better suit your needs. Once the settings page has loaded, you'll see various tabs across the top of the page. Select the one that is labeled Meeting. This area contains a host of configuration options that control different aspects of your Zoom meetings. It might look a little overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to using Zoom, but don't worry. We'll find exactly what we need. Proceed by scrolling down to locate the section titled In Meeting Basic. This is where Zoom houses some fundamental features of your meeting settings. It's essential to note that this section can be quite lengthy, so take your time scrolling through until you find the right option. Within this In Meeting or Basic section, look carefully for the item labeled Chat. Sometimes these features may be organized slightly differently across various accounts, but generally you should find it here. This feature is what allows participants to send messages through the chat function during a Zoom call. Once you've located the chat option, you'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. If your chat isn't currently enabled, this switch will appear grayed out or simply positioned to off. To enable chat, all you need to do is click on this toggle, switching it to the on position. The switch will change color, and just like that, your chat functionality is now active for all your upcoming Zoom meetings. It's as simple as that.